Hello students, welcome to your favorite channel English Learning Assam. Today I start the question paper solution of first assessment 2023-24 of Redicus Future Academy English Medium School of Lakhipur, Golpra, Assam. Class 10 subject English. My dear students, today I start the question paper solution of first unit test 2023 for class 10 মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল ইতিমধ্যে মই তোমালোকৰ আগত এই বছৰৰ কেইবাটাও ফাৰ্ষ্ট ইউনিট টেষ্টৰ কোৱেশ্চন পেপাৰ সলিউশন কৰিছো আজিও মই তোমালোকৰ আগত এখন অতি উল্লেখযোগ্য বিদ্যালয়ৰ কোৱেশ্চন পেপাৰ খন তোমালোকৰ আগত সলিউশন সহ আলোচনা কৰিব ওলাইছো আশা কৰো ভিডিওটো অকনমান দীঘল হ'ব আৰু দীঘল হলেও তোমালোকে সম্পূৰ্ণ ভিডিওটো চাবা বুলি আশা ৰাখি মই আজিৰ ক্লাসটো স্টার্ট কৰিলো কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 1 choose the correct answer 1 into 10 equal to 10 1 Lancho wrote a letter to dash a girl b postmaster c a friend d village head. So correct answer will be A, God. Question 2. Why did Lancho become angry when he counted the money? A. Lancho received 40 pesos less than what he had demanded from God. B. Lancho received 30 pesos less than what he had demanded from God. C. Lancho received 100 pesos less than what he had demanded from God. D. Lancho received 70 pesos less than what he had demanded from God. So, my dear students, the correct answer will be B. Lancho received 30 pesos less than what he had demanded from God. Question number 3. Where was Lancho's house? A. Near the sea. B. At the top of a hill. C. At the bottom of a hill. D. In a valley. So, correct answer will be B. At the top of a hill. 4. For Lancho, there was a single hope. Help from dash. A. God. B. Postmaster. C. Bank. D. Landlord. So correct answer will be option A. God. 5. Lancho's field needed dash from a good harvest. A. Manure. B. Hail. C. Rain. D. Plowing. So correct answer will be C. Rain. 6. What does Lancho call the post office employee? A. A bunch of robbers. B. A bunch of liars. C. A bunch of fools. D. A bunch of crooks. So correct answer will be D. A bunch of crooks. Now come to question number 5. Okay. In question number 5, why does the speaker say that it is a rare privilege? He says this as they have A. Been deprived of this honor. B. Seldom been given this honor. C. Experienced it for the first time. C. Okay. D. Been chosen over other countries for this honor. So correct answer will be C. Experienced it for the first time. Okay. Now come to question number 8. The guests at the spectacular ceremony are called distinguished because A. They have been invited as guests to attend it. B. They are eminent world leaders witnessing. C. They are visiting the country for this purpose. D. They have resumed diplomatic relations with the country. So correct answer will be B. They are eminent world leaders witnessing. Question 9. Name the poet of the poem A Tiger in the Zoo. A. Leslie Norris. B. Robert Frost. C. Caroline Wells. D. Walt Whitman. So correct answer will be A. Leslie Norris. 10. Name the poetic device used in the line he stalks in his vivid strips. A. Metaphor. B. Assonance. C. Oxymoron. D. Consonance. So correct answer will be D. Consonance. Mormor Satro Satri Hakul. So these are the MCQ and their answer. Okay. Now come to question number 2. Which state did Franjul belong to? Answer. Franjul belonged to Assam. 3. What was Franjul's father? Answer. Franjul's father was the manager of a tea garden in Upper Assam, that is Dekiavari. 4. What could Rajbir see as far as his eyes could see? Answer. Rajbir could see a sea of tree bushes stretched as far as the eye could see. 5. According to Rajbir, how many cups of tea are drunk daily throughout the world? Answer. According to Rajbir, 80 crore cups of tea are drunk daily throughout the world. Now come to question number 6. When was tea drunk first time in China? Tea was drunk in 2700 BC, first time in China. Now come to question number 7. Why did the postmaster decided to answer Lance's letter to God? The postmaster did not want to shake Lance's faith in God and thus replied to Lance's letter by sending him money under the name of God. Okay, now come to question number 8. Who sent the money to Lance? The postmaster collected some money and sent to Lance. Now come to question number 9. Can you say how 10th May is an autumn day? Answer. As South Africa is in the southern hemisphere, May falls in the autumn season. Thus 10th May is an autumn day. Now come to question number 10. Why did Lance write a letter to God? Answer. While Lance's crops were damaged, asking for 100 pesos, he wrote a letter to God. My dear students, now I shall discuss or I shall give you to the answer of this question for your screenshot purposes. This is the answer from question number 2 to question number 10. Okay, now you see and take a screenshot of this answer for your further studies. Okay, see, you see the answer. Okay, okay. Now come to question number 11. How did Lanzo feel when it started raining? 2 marks. When the rain began, Lanzo was very happy, but when hailstones destroyed his corpse completely, he became very unhappy. Question number 12. Why does the tiger express his rage quietly? The tiger expresses his rage quietly because there is nothing he can do from behind the bars of his cage. His strength is inside his cage now. He is no longer free as he was in the jungle. Question number 13. How does a tiger create terror for the villagers? The tiger creates terror for the villagers by snarling around the houses as they are situated near the jungle. He frightens them by showing his white fangs and claws. Question number 14. Why were two national anthems sung? Answer. Two national anthems were sung because there were two main races, the whites and the blacks. On the other hand, the anthem of the whites was the anthem of the old republic. 15. What does Mandela thank the international leaders for? Answer. Mandela thanks the international leaders for coming to take possession with the people of his country over a common victory for justice, peace, and human dignity. Question number 16. What did the military generals do? How did their attitude change and why? The highest military generals of South African Defence Force saluted Mandela and placed their loyalty when was of great significance, and during apartheid era they would have arrested him. The change in their attitude was because of the struggle and sacrifices put in by many heroes of South Africa. This struggle not only ensured the freedom of a nation struggling with apartheid, but brought a change in mindsets of many. Question number 17. What is the tiger doing? Why is he ignoring the visitors? The tiger is stalking along the length of the cage, ignoring visitors, hearing patrolling cars, and starting at the brilliant stars shining in the sky. He chooses to ignore the visitors because they mean nothing to him, and he knows that he can not expect anything from them. Question number 18. Read the phrases and answer them carefully. The house, the only one in the entire valley, sat on the crest of a low hill. From this height, one could see the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with the flowers that always promised a good harvest. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour, or at least a shower. Throughout the morning, Lanzo, who knew his fields intimately, had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast. Now we are really going to get some water, Oman. The woman who was preparing supper replied, Yes, God willing. The older boys were working in the field while the smaller ones were playing near the house until the woman called them to all come to dinner. So this is the scene passage. Okay, now come to the question answer. Answer the following questions. Question number A. Write the name of the lesson from which the passage has been taken. Write the author's name also. Here, কি হবো? A letter to God is the name of the lesson from which the passage has been taken. The author's name of this lesson is G.L. Fuentes. Okay. Where was the house situated? The house was situated on the crest of a low hill. C. What could one see from this height? One could see from the house of river and the field of ripe corn dotted with the flowers that always promised a good harvest. Okay. Now come to question number D. What was needed by the earth only? The earth only needed was a downpour or at least a shower. Who knew his fields intimately? Lanzo knew his fields intimately. So this is the question and answer. Now you see the answer. You see the answer and you may take a screenshot. Okay. Okay, D and E. Now come to the grammar section from question number 19. Change the correct tense. A. When he entered my room, I write a letter. So, answer will be when he entered my room, I was writing a letter. B. It is time you go home. It is time you went home. C. We shall wait here until he come back. We shall wait here until he comes back. 20. A. Since the boys, the boy laughed at the beggar. The beggar was laughed at by the boy. B. We must respect the elders. The elders must be respected by us. Next, or B. Put the correct determinants. A. He received dash help from his teacher, many, much, more. So correct answer will be much. B. I can depend on dash friends I have. Few, a few, the few. Answer will be the few. Now come to the answer of this question. See and take a screenshot. Okay. Question number 20. Now come to question number 21A. Write story from given outlines 5. 12 fools start on a journey, cross a river, count themselves, each not counting himself, counts 11. A passerby agrees to produce the lost man, gives each fool a blow, counts 12. Okay. So my dear students, this is the answer. You can take the screenshot of this story writing. So this is the title, the 12 fool. You also write a suitable moral of this story. Or 21B, change the form of narration. A. Arun said, I don't know this boy. Answer. Arun said that he did not know that boy. B. I said to the boy, did you ask all the questions? Did you answer all the questions? Answer. I asked the boy if he had answered all the questions. C. I made some money yesterday, Anil said. Anil said that he had made some money the previous day. D. Anita said to Ravi, please lend me a pen. Answer. Anita requested Ravi to lend her to his pen. Okay. E. He said to me, you will be tired before you arrive. He told me that I would tired before I arrived. Okay. Now come to question number 21. Okay. C. Put correct preposition from the given option. A. Do not post dash your wealth of in for. Correct answer will be of. B. The lame man lives dash begging with from by. Answer will be by. C. He often suffer dash illness in from with from hobo. D. I bought this pen dash 5 rupees by for with. Answer will be for. Shoes are made dash leather of from with. Answer will be of. So my dear student, these are the questions and answer. Now you see the answer. See the answer and you may take the screenshot of this answer. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching my video.